Hey guys, Tsunami here, back with another video. And today, hold up, clear all that. Okay, and today I'll show you what happens when take one step and sneeze, because I can't. It's gonna be that crazy. Right here. Okay, this is one step. One step, bro. Too much. One step, bro. Took one step. And this is a sneezing one. Nope. It's too bad. And this is what happens when I sneeze. Boom! Achoo! Oh god, bro. Too sorry. Achoo! Oh god, bro. Too contagious. That's why they all died. Oh, that gun sucks. I mean, I got legendary weapons, so. One step. Oh shoot, nope. One step. Oh god. One step. Oh shoot, I actually got hurt. Yo, no way. And I'm full health already. I'm gonna do this all the way to the boss. And now let's see who's stronger. My Echwa steps or the boss itself. Coming along with me. I actually got these two weapons from the vending machine. Too much. They can't handle my steps. Yo, my steps are too much. No, all those guns and weapons suck. Look, let's just say this is one island, one step. Yeah. That's how thick I am. One step. One step. One step. Oh, didn't give me no mana. Oh, I was gonna kill the dude so I could get his mana. You know what? He was free, so. One step. Oh shoot, no. One step. Yo, I thought I was gonna die. Go to the store for health pots. Oh shoot, no store here. Yo, I'm about to die. No, not really. I don't really need my trashy crowbar looking dude. One step. One step. One step. Achoo! Achoo! Bro, too much. Oh shoot, yo, I'm gonna die. Please, vampire thing, heal me, please. Like a true man. I'm talking about my power up, guys. No, poison's more easier. Yeah. I needed that. I was about to die. I was in like full hunger. Damn it. I want a weapon now. Just so I could put it. No, wait a minute. I could just. Guys? If this doesn't work out with my satellite, yo, I'm gonna kill myself. So like, you know what? I don't even need nothing no more. So you can't even see my eyes. Achoo! Well, who do you think you're firing at? 1 steps. I took multiple steps in that one, bro. Step. 1 step. 1 step. Yo! It's a big ass motherfucker. Another step. And another one. And another one. Steps, bro. Steps for days. I need my mana back. These people aren't giving me mana. Wait a minute. They're back. Is that a coin? Yo, I needed that. You son of a... Oh, 1 stop. 1 step. 1 step. Oh, shoot. Kids. Who does this to a man? Honestly. Another step. Another step. I have steps for days. Step. Too fat. Oh, blueprint for a camera. Man, I ain't no camera, man. 1 step. Yo! They just called in the cavalry to kill me. Yo, I just dodged everything. Oh, shoot. Okay, never mind. I didn't dodge everything, but I dodged most of it. There's no attack. You know what? Yo, now we're talking. Let's test it out, shall we? The fire. It's too much. Achoo! Oh shoot. Yo, take a step. Take another step. Take steps for days. Take another step. And oh shoot, I missed. And another one. God damn it, kids. It was just too much. It's a robot, kids, just like me. Let's do this. Oh shoot, no. Achoo! 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 Bitch, die. My sneezes. Take a step. And another one. Oh my god, bro. See? I was stronger than that boss. Look at this derpy dude, bro. Couldn't handle my steps, so he died. Too much explosions. Anyways, guys, that'll be the end of the video. And Tsunami says peace.